Never. I wouldn't blame him because I had backing of Rajmouli also. That even Rajmouli sir's favorite film in college, my real love story, I don't know if when a guy came and just asked me my name. What is your name? Scared, and then he said, okay, now the teacher has not come. Or when she finds a lover, then that age you don't use your brains much. It's mostly your heart working. Then the guy was right standing in front of me, and when my dad asked me, where is he? Tell me. But still my mom told me don't. I used to love my sirs because the way they used to your lover is sitting in the class, how you'll sit in the class. So it's later on every day I'm falling in love. Hi, I'm Saloni Aswani, and here we are with a movie, Meelo Evaru Koteshwaradu, releasing on 16 December.
మీ ఫాదర్ రిటైర్డ్ అసిస్టెంట్ కమిషనర్ ఆఫ్ నార్కోటిక్స్ కదా, మరి మీరు యాక్టర్ ఎలా అయ్యారు?
It was my childhood dream to become an actress, and that's how I always wanted to be, and that's how I am here. It was my dream. I didn't know any other job. From childhood I wanted to act. That is the only thing. And earlier it was a taboo. Oh, you want to become an actress? It was not a great thing. So I used to fake it by saying, oh, I want to become an actress, an air hostess or a lawyer, because that was very prestigious thing that time. But what is your dream from childhood? Nothing can stop you. So today I'm here.
మీలో ఎవరు కోటేశ్వరుడు స్క్రిప్ట్ విన్నప్పుడు మీకు ఏ ఎలిమెంట్ ఇందులో బాగా నచ్చింది?
Here my character is a real character, and that's how it was fascinating because I've never done that. And of course it's a comedy thing with a lot of comedy punches, and overall it's going to be a very good entertainer. So that's how, and the producer is one of the leading producer out here who's already done one with Bengal Tiger, one with Ravi Teja. The whole setup was very good, and my director Sati Babu had already had good experience with the comedy. So I said, why not to try up with a good setup.
ఇంటర్మీడియట్ స్టూడెంట్ గా ప్లే చేయడం అది ఛాలెంజింగ్ గా అనిపించిందా మీకు?
No, when I select a subject, I feel the character well in advance. So I went with very ease, because my director and my co-artist Prithviji was very cooperating. So when you have your people around you who support you in all the scenes, which then helps you to evolve in your character, and which went out very smoothly.
ఈ క్యారెక్టర్ ప్లే చేస్తున్నప్పుడు మీరు ఎలాంటి రిఫరెన్సెస్ తీసుకున్నారు?
No, instead of reference, I would like to give my own touch to all the characters I do, because it has to be that character. If I have a reference, people can immediately refer to that film or that artist, which is not then I'm not doing justice to the role. So I definitely eat up all the brains of my director, asking him 100 questions of how I should improvise more, because already Prithvi is a seasoned comedian. For him it must be an easy thing to do his character. For me, I had many more questions for every scene, and then that's how we got my every scenes come out very beautifully.
మీరు ఈ సినిమాలో స్లాప్స్టిక్ కామెడీ చేశారా?
No, this is not slapstick. This is situational comedy, I can say. Every dialogue, every scene has a lot of punches. And it's a family entertainer. So whole family will enjoy all the scenes, and how we get ragged in college. You can relate to it. How a college going girl will have to go through when she goes through ragging, or when she finds a lover. Then that age you don't use your brains much. It's mostly your heart working. And how every day you look forward to go to college and meet that person, or just see that person from far. So overall, it takes me back to my college days, and I felt nice working. So college going, not at all. It's our cameraman's job to make us look good, and the character. And Bal Reddy sir has done very nice job. So we both are very happy, and it's not necessary that you have to look college. The characters are made to look collegians. That's how the punch starts of the comedy. So we are doing our bit.
ఈ సినిమాలో క్యారెక్టర్ ప్లే చేస్తున్నప్పుడు మీకు ఏమైనా నాస్టాలజిక్ గా అనిపించిందా?
Yeah, the ragging scene, because I have gone through ragging scene in my ragging actually in my college. So that's how when we had the scenes to do in the college, I was really petrified and horrified remembering the scenes when a guy came and just asked me my name. What is your name? I had to answer, but I got shit scared, and then he said, okay, now the teacher has not come, what do you want to do? And I'm like, I will sit inside here only. And I was surrounded with my friends who are all girls. And next day I told my dad, I'm not going to college, I'm scared, I'm this. And then my next day my whole family was in the college. And my mom is like, it happens, why you have to tell your father about it, it's okay. Then the guy was right standing in front of me, and when my dad asked me, where is he, tell me, and police had come to college just to ask, get hold of that guy. But still my mom told me, don't involve your father in it. So I was like, okay daddy, he's not come today. And I was just watching him standing right in front of me, but still I didn't point it out to him. So those scenes are still deep down within in my conscious mind. And when I was doing it and people come to rag me, and there how Prithvi saves me, and I was like, here I have Prithvi, in real life I didn't have anybody to save me. So yeah, that was making me feel a little nostalgic.
ఈ సినిమాలో మీకు పృథ్వీ మీద క్రష్ ఉన్నట్టు రియల్ లైఫ్ లో కాలేజ్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎవరి మీద నాకు క్రష్ ఉండేదా?
In college, no, because I was very scared of my father. So I used to never even talk to any guy, because all my phones were on speaker phone. He used to listen all my conversations. So I had a strict father. So I didn't have any feelings for anybody that time.
ఆ తర్వాత
Till on, every day I'm falling in love. After that, I used to love my sirs, because the way they used to explain, I don't know, persona was nice. And then after that, when you become an artist, then you have so many heroes, you have crush on so many heroes. Yeah, I'm a lover, so I fall in love mostly every day.
మన తెలుగు హీరోస్ తో ఎప్పుడన్నా లవ్ లో పడ్డారా?
And Nagarjuna, he was my childhood crush also. Yeah. And then Allu Arjun and NTR, because of their dancing skills, I was in love with them a lot. I am still, yeah.
రియల్ లైఫ్ లో ఎప్పుడు లవ్ లో పడతారు మరి?
Actual love, my real love story, I don't know, if I fall in love with somebody, I will definitely come and announce. Right now there is nobody to even talk about. So I'm busy loving myself, my projects. And since the 16th December is another movie day, so I have another lover coming out. So I'm in love with my movie now. For the timing, it's మీలో ఎవరు కోటీశ్వరుడు.
మీలో ఎవరు కోటీశ్వరుడు సినిమాలో పృథ్వీ గారితో డాన్స్ చేయడం ఎలా అనిపించింది?
The best part that he is dancing and I'm watching him, and I had to shake a leg with him as well. And the funniest part that I didn't expect to dance with him, but luckily choreographer gave him a lot of style type of steps, which I expected that the choreographer should take him as an actor, not as a dancer, and give him right left wala step, which he won't do justice to. But whatever steps was given, he did it very nicely, very beautifully. I had to sit down and watch him when he had his bit, and many times we had to do a common step. So it was fun shaking leg with him. And we have a peppy number, the other couple has a romantic number, so it is contradictory to both the couples. And the beats are very nice, very peppy. So and it's an annual day function dance we are doing. So like a college day, how you're excited to see, who all are going to perform in the classmates. And we all are like, we'll perform, how you go for practice, because I have regularly taken part in college annual day functions in my college days and won awards. So those memories again come back, how you're excited, how you bunk your lectures and you go for rehearsals. So that same feeling is here also, how you take effort to dance. It's fun.
మీరు ఒక గ్లామరస్ హీరోయిన్ కదా, ఒక కమెడియన్ ఫీమేల్ లీడ్ ప్లే చేయడంలో మీకు ఎలాంటి రిజర్వేషన్స్ అనిపించాయి?
Not at all, because we both were playing college students in a village. So that time you are your character. And in Okorulu or in Maryada Ramana, I have played a village girl as well. So I carry that part also equally well.
మీరు చిన్న ఫిల్మ్స్ చేయడం స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. ఆ తర్వాత రాజమౌళి, సల్మాన్ ఖాన్, బాలకృష్ణ ఇట్లాంటి వాళ్ళతో వర్క్ చేశారు. సో వాట్ డూ యూ థింక్ వర్క్ ఫర్ యూ?
I think the time that time I got that project, and that time also I was doing a film with comedian. It was Rajmouli doing a comedian, and that turned out to be such a big blockbuster. Equally, we keep our fingers crossed. Here also I'm doing it with a comedian, and I hope public equally enjoy this character as well, like they enjoyed Maryada Ramana. So every time I've worked with Salman Khan, I've worked with Nagarjuna, Balkrishna, Alu Arjun. I have played with all the good artists and leading artists, and now also whomever I'm working with, they're fantastic. And you have to just make your film a big hit, and that audience does. We do our part of acting in all the film, making it a big hit. It is only audience verdict which say average or 50 days or 100 days. So nothing is our hand. Everything is in their hands. Of if they love a movie, they'll repetitively go for the movie. So a movie is always dependent on the Friday, Saturday, Sunday report.
సునీల్ లాంటి కామెడీ యాక్టర్తో వర్క్ చేయడం వల్లే మీకు ఛాన్సెస్ రాలేదని ఎప్పుడైనా ఫీల్ అయ్యారా?
Not that way. I wouldn't blame him because I had backing of Rajmouli also. And that was a blockbuster, and still people talk about it. And I'm very happy that even Rajmouli sir's favorite film is Maryada Ramana. So I can't blame Sunil, because Sunil played his part so well. Fantastic actor. He danced so brilliantly. And he's also doing so well for him now. It is not that I have been little choosy for what I would like to do justice to. I cannot blame here. I can only give credits to everybody, whomever I have worked with, because it has been a fantastic journey for me. Every part, whatever I accept, I like to do justice. After my movie shooting is done, rest I leave everything on the audience. Nothing I take a baggage to back home where I go.
సో మీకు ఎలాంటి రిగ్రెట్స్ లేవంటారు?
Never. No, I don't have regrets at all. Coming in this industry, going against my father was the only step which I would say I have taken. And then to look back, no, I don't think so, ever. Because being a heroine, having best of your co-stars to work with, best subjects, people love you, people want to see you more, you would want to just hear that, and I'm happy. There's no regret. All artists give you experience, you learn every day. Every artist has his own style, and to pick sometimes destiny, sometimes your timing. I can just say that.
మీలో ఎవరు కోటీశ్వరుడు సినిమాలో హ్యాపీనెస్ రియల్ వెల్త్ అని ఒక అండర్లైన్ మెసేజ్ ఉంటుంది కదా, మరి మీకు అసలు మనీ అంటే ఏంటి?
Money is equally important for survival, but that is not key to happiness. They say even if you're sad, it's better to cry in Mercedes. No, that is just a saying. But sadness is sadness and happiness is happiness. You know, if somebody gives you 1 crore, you will be happy. But it's not necessary if you have 1 crore, you will be happy. No, they're two little different things. So what is one thing very important in your life is to be happy. After you get crore also, you want to be happy. Oh, I will be this happy if I get Mercedes, if I get this blockbuster. But right now, if you're happy, it means everything. You have no diseases, no problems in your life. Because here you are an actor according to the God. And you are here to do your role, your bit. Do it best. And that gives you happiness. And automatically you have positive vision in your life. You will get whatever you want.
మీరు ఇలాంటి క్యారెక్టర్ ఎలా డెవలప్ చేసుకున్నారు? Is it nature or nurture?
Yes, I do a lot of meditation. I read lot of positive books. I read lot of jokes, because what gives you, what jokes does makes you happy. And that is the key thing. Why, if you see everybody on WhatsApp has jokes. Why? They want to share a joke. I don't think anybody wants to share a tragedy. Arey, this happened, that happened. Nobody is bothered, because everybody has so much of stress in their life already that nobody wants your baggage to carry. But if you have a joke, everybody will listen. That's how this movie is all about. Even if you don't make money, the producer will make money, the financer will make money, the distributor will make money. But when you're investing, you're getting 1 crore ka happiness for that 2 hours. You're laughing, you're holding your stomach, your jaws are paining. And when you go, you're like, it was a nice film.
మీ స్టోరీ ఈ సినిమాకి ఎంత ఇంపార్టెంట్ అంటారు?
I'm in the real part, so I have a totally different track with Prithvi, nothing connected to the other couple, and my track is comedy love story, like the very thing which we started off saying that we are junior intimate college going students. So our story starts with that bang only ki, okay, Saloni and Prithvi college going students, now what they want to do, what they want to show that we have not seen earlier. So my bit is more of the comedy related romance, which has a different track going with Prithvi, and how a college going girl will go through the ragging, the love, how your love struck, and how you have the annual day functions, and how the you want to bunk a particular professor's lecture, but sometimes your lover is sitting in the class, how you'll sit in the class. So it's a very fun-filled character and different track altogether.
ఓకే, మరి ఈ సినిమా గురించి మీ ఫైనల్ రిమార్క్స్?
I can just say about this movie that since there are a lot of stress going on for the money thing, forget the money stress, go enjoy this money loaded movie and have your bit of happiness, enjoy, have a lot of popcorn, samosa, and I'm sure you all will have a very nice time when you leave the theatre.
Hi, this is Nani and I subscribe to India Glitz Telugu channel, IG Telugu, and for my updates and about my latest movies and everything, for all the news and gossips, please follow IG Telugu.